Which of the following is an example of asynchronous learning? Would this be letter A, live video conferencing? Letter B, real-time online discussions? Letter C, pre-recorded video lectures? Or letter D, classroom-based group activities? What is our choice? Okay, tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter C. Tama po yan, no? When you say asynchronous, without sync, no? Not sync, no? Not in sync. Kapag sinabi po kasi nating synchronous, yung wala pong letter A, when you say synchronous, that means sabay-sabay, no? Sabay-sabay tayong natututo, katulad nitong live, di ba? So this is synchronous, no? Live video conferencing, live video discussion po ito. Real-time online discussions, ganito, di ba? So parehas lamang po itong A at B natin. Ito naman, classroom-based group activities, sabay-sabay tayo or kayong natututo inside the classroom. Pero when you say asynchronous, hindi po kayo sabay-sabay, no? So pre-recorded video lectures. Yung mga team replay natin, no? So asynchronous learning na po yung kanilang ginagamit or yung kanilang ginagawa, okay? So kung ating isipin actually, no, blended yung ginagawa natin dito kasi yung synchronous, meron tayong synchronous na live video conferencing, although we are not inside the same classroom, no? So live siya, real time siya, at meron din po tayong team replay, okay?